Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make money online. Now if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So how do you make money online? First of all, you have to improve your mindset. Okay? Because a lot of people don't actually believe that they can really make money online. And by the way, I'm going to get into the step by step of what you need to do. But if you don't improve your mindset, it's going to be very hard because most people don't actually believe that they can actually achieve something. So they do not take the necessary steps to actually do it. So you really have to believe that you can achieve whatever success means to you, no matter if it's living on a farm and not working, or lying on the beach all day, or buying a mega yacht or a helicopter. I don't care what it is, you can absolutely do it if you put your mind to it. You see, all these successful people that you look up to, and success is very different from person to person, so I'm not going to give out any names right now, but every one of these people that you look up to are exactly the same as you used to be. Maybe they grew up with little to no money and now they have a ton of money, or maybe they did have some money, but you can absolutely replicate it because a ton of people made some money without having any money from the start. So whether it's money, relationships, it doesn't really matter what you want to do. But since we're on the make money online thing, then you can absolutely replicate that. So then you have to decide, once you actually believe that you can do that, then you have to decide that you can absolutely do that. It really is a decision. The day that you decide that you're going to take every single step, every single day towards no matter what your goal is, and absolutely decide that you're going to do it, that is when you're actually going to produce the results. So then you need a plan, because if you don't have a plan, then that's going to be very hard to make any money. So have a plan, but actually don't reinvent the wheel. You really want to figure out what other people are doing and do exactly the same as what they are doing. Obviously with your own twist to it, but this is what you have to do. You see, for example, I know that there are a ton of people that are making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars just by doing online marketing and video marketing, for that fact. So I decided to do that, and it doesn't have to be that, but it can be anything else. So if you want to do what I do, which is making videos that will attract your ideal customer, then you're going to build an email list, because that email list is the lifeblood of your business. If you don't have an email list and you don't have everything that you need to create a capture page and all sorts of different things, which I talk about in another video. But if you don't have that, then you don't have a business. So if I can inspire just one of you to actually take the action and do that, then that will be my goal accomplished. So if you don't have that, there's a link in the description that says something along the lines of how to create a capture page or something like that. There's a link that will get you to a landing page, and then you can find out the cheapest way to build a landing page ever. So if you're just starting out, I highly suggest you do that. So this is what I do. So then you'll get to that landing page and I make some money because it's an affiliate link. And then I'm going to send some emails, but it doesn't have to be that. If you want to make videos, then that's the best way to go about it. But just don't reinvent the wheel. Make sure that you stick out, find something that really resonates with you, that you actually want to do, and then you will be able to make some money online. Now don't give up at first, because it's going to be very hard to actually keep on staying there when you're not getting results, because at first you will not get any results. Now maybe you'll start a YouTube channel and the first 3 people that will watch your channel will buy from you. And that's why you need to have a capture page right from the start, which I didn't do. But most people will not buy the first time, so you just have to keep on making videos, and even though you might find out that you're not getting the views that you want to, then it's still a great way to actually make the money. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed. I go more into the details in other videos, which I'm going to film right after this one. So make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you'll see that video, and every day there'll be another video that will come out. So I really hope that you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.